In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to change the Waveguide cover on a microwave. If your microwave is not functioning correctly, it could be due to a damaged waveguide cover. Signs of a damaged waveguide cover include sparking on the inside of the microwave. We also recommend changing the waveguide cover if it is damaged or dirty. This is to prevent further damage occurring to your microwave, reducing its lifespan. The waveguide cover is most commonly located on the right-hand side of the microwave. Some waveguides may look different or be attached with a screw. Please check your user manual if your waveguide cover looks different. Ensure you switch off and unplug the microwave before replacing the waveguide cover. To give yourself extra space, remove the roller ring and plate. Next, carefully apply pressure to one side of the cover until it slots out of place. You can now gently remove the cover. Attach your new waveguide cover by slotting one side of the protruding tabs into position. Then, bend the cover very carefully so that the protruding tabs can slot into place. You can now reattach the roller ring and plate, followed by plugging in and switching the microwave on. Your microwave is now ready to use.